Hello and welcome back to Amaka's Healthy Kitchen. I hope you all are doing good. I hope everyone is doing great. I hope all is well with you all, and thank God we are doing just amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make easy and quick egusi soup recipe. Yeah, and this is so quick and easy recipe. Yeah, if you want to see how I got this, if you want to see the process of this egusi soup recipe without frying, yeah, this is non-frying method. Please continue watching and remember to subscribe. Please share this video if you can, and you'll be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Please, let's dive into it. So here I have both hard and soft chicken, and as you can see, I'm adding blended ginger and garlic with a bit of turmeric in it, which I'm going to share with you all soon. So here I added chicken stock. So now as you can see, I'm adding blended onion with a little bit of paprika in it, and after that I'm going to add a little bit of water, and I'm going to add more paprika, and I'm going to add more water, and I'm going to add Maggi, and I'm going to cover a pot and allow to cook. So back in our pot, as you can see, our chicken is cooking beautifully, and this time is just perfect, and I'm going to take them out. So here is my stock, and I took some out, and I'm going to mix this egusi inside it. So now I took them out and I transferred the remaining stock water inside my pot, and I'm transferring the mixed egusi slash melon inside our cooking pot. So, and after that, I'm just going to add some crayfish. I'm going to add a little bit of calabash nutmeg. So after that, I blended some peppers, which are one bell pepper and some scotch bonnets. So here I'm adding palm oil, and I'm going to just stir a little bit, not really stirring it too much. So back in our pot, this is how our soup is doing. Yeah. So it's doing well, and I covered it to allow it to cook for more few minutes, and this is how it's looking after that. So here I'm going to go ahead and add our meat back in our pot, like our chicken, which I took out earlier. And I'm going to combine everything together. So here I'm going to add a pinch of salt, as some of the ingredients we used earlier in seasoning the meats, contained salt. So here I'm adding Maggi, and I'm going to add our mackerel, smoked mackerel. So here I'm just going to add our spinach. Yeah, and I'm going to cover the pot. So now I'm just going to use my spoon just to make sure I kind of mix everything together, just trying to push the spinach inside the soup. So here I'm just going to add a little bit of crayfish, just a tiny bit, and I'm going to push that in as well. And I'm just going to cover the pot right now, and I'm going to allow this to simmer for a few minutes, and that is it. Yeah, if you have watched up to this stage, I Just want to thank you all. I say thank you so much for your love and support. And please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video like this to come. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. And please don't forget to share as well, and stay blessed. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, guys. Love you. Bye bye.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.